Today we're going to be installing a pre-finished engineered hardwood floor. This floor is a 1/2 inch thick, it's Brazilian cherry, and we're going to be floating it over padding. The name of our padding is Silent Blue. It's a good pad, provides a great moisture barrier, and also provides good sound muffling. Okay, we've got some pieces already cut over here. Well, let's talk about the pad first. Our pad is installed. Basically, roll out the sheets, butt the edges together, tape them together with the duct tape to keep them from coming apart. Okay, we got some pieces cut down here already. So what we'll do is we'll take our glue, which is Mannington Mega Glue, really good adhesive, and run it down the groove side of the wood. Stick this little piece in right here. Okay. And then we'll take the next row. Run a little bead in the groove. Down the side groove. Make sure you don't get into the top, so you don't get on top of it. Yeah. Oops. Stick it on in there. This glue cleans up really easy. Okay. We got our pieces together. We'll take our little plastic tapping block and tap it in. Glue out of there. Go to our next row. Glue down it. Side of it. You want to stagger your rows. You're only wanting to get more than about 5 inches together. Try to keep the gaps at a minimum. Got a little pry bar here. That'll stick in the edge. Pry it together, get my gaps closer together. Go to the next piece. There and there. One. Together. You want to always make sure you leave a little gap between the wall and the floor. There's going to be baseboards going on top of this, so it looks like it's close to sheetrock, but it's actually got plenty of space to the 2x4 underneath there. Okay, the pieces that we cut off of these pieces we'll use to start our next row. It's already been cut on one side. Put it on there. Tap. Glue spot off. Another piece. Put it on. And basically this is how you install a floating hardwood floor. It's quick, easy. Great thing to do when you're going over a concrete subfloor that's not quite level. It's just a great way to install a floor. So remember, have fun with your floors.